Assalamu alaikum students, this is your week 12 lesson number 2. We are on unit 10. Today we are going to start exercise 10a, in which we have to find the missing angle. For that we need to solve this example first so that you get the idea how to find missing angles. In this figure you can see that we are having an x angle and 71 degree. We have to find the value of x, and we know that the total angle, let's give the name of the lines as AOB. Now the angle AOB, total angle, is equal to 90 degree, right? We can write it as 90 degree. So we can now make an equation from this, that x plus 71 degree equals to 90 degree. Now to find the value of x, we have to shift, or we have to subtract 71 from both sides. X plus 71 is equal to 90 and x equals to 90 minus 71. So when you will subtract, you will get 19 degree. So this is the value of unknown angle here. Now let's see another example. Now in this figure we are having an unknown angle, that is y, and another angle is given 71. But if we see that y, adding the angle y and 71 will give us 180 degree, or in other way you can say these are supplementary angles because we are having a straight line, right? So we can make an equation here that y plus 71 is equal to 180 degree. Now to get the value of y from this, we can write 180 degree minus 71. 180 minus 71 equals to 109 degree. So y equals to 180 minus 71 degree is equal to 109 degree. So this is the value for the unknown angle. Okay, so starting exercise 10a, we have question number 1, find the missing angle, and we are going to solve A, B and C part. A and C part will be your homework. We are going to solve B part right now. You can see the figure that we have an angle AOB which is 90 degree, right? Angle AOB equals to 90 degree angle. We have to find the value of x, and there are two x written, which means the first x is EOD angle, this one, and the second is DOC angle, and the rest of two angles, that is AOE is given, it is 10 degree, and COB is given as 10 degree. So it means the total angle AOD is a sum of all of these angles, right? Now we can write here, so we have written angle AOB as a sum of all the angles, that is AOE, EOD, DOC and COB. Now let's put the values for the angles. We know angle AOB is, we are already given the value for AOB as 90 degree angle. Then we have angle AOE, its value is 10 degree. Let's substitute for it 10 degree. Then EOD is given as x, plus DOC is given as x again, and the last value is 10 degree. Now solving this equation, we have variable x plus x, that will give us 2x, and 10 degree plus 10 degree will give us 20 degree. Now we have to get the value of x. For that we first need to remove plus 20 written with it. So let's subtract 20 from both sides, so it will be 2x. Now 90 minus 20 is equal to 70 degree and equals to 2x. To get the value of x, let's divide both sides by 2. So 70 degree by 2 equals to 2x by 2. 2 will be cancelled by 2. We will be having x on one side, and 70 divided by 2 is equal to 35 degree. So the value of x equals to 35 degrees equal to x. The unknown angle here is x. You can also recheck this question, put the values in your given figure, and now add all the angles, that is 10 plus 35 equals to 45, 10 plus 35 and 10. all these angles will add up to 90 degree angle. So remaining parts are your homework. Complete that on your notebook.